today's workshop is to disseminate information, to share experience, and also to train, and also to create awareness within the stakeholders that cuts across the local manufacturing, the professional bodies, professional associations, as well as the innovator companies, to create awareness on all these mechanisms that are available for use in terms of getting fast approvals for the medical products and also medical devices.
Today's event is it's a great workshop that's bringing together two associations within the healthcare space, CAPI and MEDAC. So we have brought together our members and also the regulators and some stakeholders to champion regulatory reliance as a principle or practice for healthcare products in Kenya. Regulatory reliance is whereby a regulatory agency can leverage or make best use of its resources by referencing the decisions or outcomes that another regulatory agency has arrived at. But the most important point of that pathway is that it doesn't take away the decision-making power or autonomy of the relying agency. So it can be unilateral, it could be multilateral, but it opens up many opportunities for just expediting good regulatory practices, and from those practices we get better outcomes.
In Reliance application, one of the greatest benefits we have obtained while going through Reliance is meeting or helping the PPB to meet its timelines when it comes to some of these processes. Previously, when we were doing them without Reliance approach, the timelines were almost exceeding the agreed timelines in the service charter. But the moment we embraced Reliance, we are seeing quite a great reduction in terms of the waiting time for a process to be completed and even for us to be able to achieve the required timelines. So that is one of the greatest achievements that we can point as having obtained or benefited from as PPB.
So when I first heard about Reliance and when CAPI has been organizing these workshops from long, for us it was a bit more far-fetched because we had an assumption that it's more on relying on international regulatory pathways. But when I attended the meeting, I realized that there could be something that local industry can also take away from here. For example, we have the regional harmonization procedures which are happening in different regions in Africa. So that at least local manufacturers can leverage. And that also puts us at a place where we can actually work with CAPI because the challenges are the same, the issues are almost the same, and we can actually partner when it comes to regional harmonization.
This workshop was very informative, and I would suggest that many people should come and attend it because you will come out of this workshop with great knowledge concerning how to regulate different medications and also medical devices. And one important impact of this workshop is that it impacts you with great knowledge concerning how to regulate different products in the market, which is very informative, especially for those people who are new in the industry and also those who are developing in various stages of the industry.